Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing good. Well, and wish the same. Visited a friend's house for Dawat. It was a nice meet-up with friends after a long time. Alhamdulillah. Let's dive into my type of cooking. How to make kheema Kothu Parotta. My friends of different nations drool over this dish. To start with, add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, and whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. If you have powder, you can add the powder to the kheema and pressure cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Since the keemas have high amount of fat, to reduce any kind of smelliness, I add ginger garlic paste as the spices and sometimes green chili as well. Add salt and 1 cup of water and pressure cook them. Kothu Parotta is loads of work. To save myself, here I am using a ready-made Malabar paratha. These are frozen products. You can buy them in the Indian shops. To defrost, I'm going to heat them in the microwave for 1 minute and then fry them in the air fryer. Defrosted parathas are soft and flexible. To have some crunchiness, you need to fry each and everything in a tawa. Before that, in a big pot, add oil, saute cinnamon, cardamom, clove, fennel seed, and coarsely crushed black pepper powder. Along with it, add long sliced onions and saute them until it gets soft. Let's check the kheema. It's all cooked up. There is a little water left, so I will dry that water now. I want that little bit of tanginess to the paratha, so add tomatoes, and I am not adding ginger garlic paste to this masala because I have already added enough to the kheema. I want the paratha to be a bit dry, so the sukka kheema is ready. Side by side, keep adding the parathas to the air fryer around 180 degree C, and 1.5 to 2 minutes it gets fried just like you do in the tawa. Then allow the paratha to cool down. Cut a shred into 4 big pieces, add in a mixer, and using the whipper, whip 3 or 4 times to form as a shredded paratha. The base, that is the onion tomato masala, is ready. I have added enough ginger garlic paste, chili powder, green chilies to the kheema itself. So I'm not adding it here except for the green chilies and the coriander leaves. Now I have to add eggs and then kheema to the base. So watch me out how I'm going to do the kothu. I have added 10 parathas. This is quite a good home-sized parathas, not the shop ones like. So for each two parathas, I'm going to add 1 egg. If you feel like you want to add extra, you can add. So I'm adding now 7 eggs. Add pepper and salt. How much kheema to do? I have added like 350 grams of kheema. Alright, I'm saving some space to fry the eggs. If you feel like removing it, the masala, you can remove and fry separately. So I'm adding oil plus ghee. So ghee is a must for me. So oil plus ghee to fry the eggs. When 80% of egg is done, add the kheema and the shredded paratha. Looks like a bento cooking pot. Now add the shredded paratha and make the thunderous kothu. Taste it. Add the salt, coriander leaves, lemon juice, and some pepper if you need it. Add the crunchy part as a topping and enjoy the dish. Hope you're liking my videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Crunchy either. From the lemon, no? Squeeze.